Hello everybody, Lurks here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to share a contact from your iPhone to someone else's iPhone. This saves you having to write the contact down on a piece of paper and then hand it over to the other person, and then they have to type it all in as a brand new contact. Also, by doing it this way between the iPhones, it also sends any contact photo as well. That's really useful. And I regularly get calls from this guy and my wife is getting totally jealous. So I'll send her his contact details and I'll show you how to do it. Let me just take this call first. Hey, Johnny Utah.
Hey, Lurks.
How you doing, man?
There's a wave at Bells Beach, 50-year storm. I'll see you later, man.
See you later. This is my phone on the left and my wife's phone on the right. So on the left-hand side on my phone, select your contacts. I'm going to go into Johnny Utah, so just select that. And at the bottom, click on Share Contact. You can share it multiple ways. I'm going to share it via a text message. So just select Messages. Then type in the contact that you want to send it to. So I'm going to select my wife. Then click on the arrow to send it. Now on the right hand side on my wife's phone, you'll see that a message has arrived. So if we select the messages on my wife's phone, select that text message, select the Johnny Utah contact, then select create new contact. This then creates the contact in my wife's contact list on her iPhone. Click on done at the top and that is it. So now if we go to contacts on my wife's phone, and there he is, Johnny Utah. My wife's going to be well happy with that. In fact, I think she's ringing him right now. In the top left, there's a link on how to transfer voice memos from your iPhone to your computer or laptop. And in the top right, how to show full screen caller photo in an iPhone when someone calls you. And in the bottom left, how to send large videos on your iPhone with no loss of quality and no apps involved.